What if I told you your home vacation bookings could be handled 24/7 without you doing any manual effort? That instead of you, a WhatsApp chatbot will reply to your users and turn their rental bookings into your vacation homes. Yes, it is possible. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate rental bookings for vacation homes via WhatsApp. And this will done in just 3 steps. That at first, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your bot will reply to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate rental bookings for vacations homes via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of vacation home. Here I am sending the first message as book vacation. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that welcome to Dream Stay Villas, ready to book your perfect vacation rental, while providing me 2 quick buttons, that is browse homes and book now. Here I am selecting this browse homes. See, I have received the message from my bot that please choose from the following properties for your stay, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of properties, that is beachfront villa, mountain cabin and city apartment. Here I am selecting this beachfront villa. Then you will see it will ask me to share my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as a test user. Then it will ask me to share my contact number. So here I am sharing one test contact number. After that, the starting date for booking the stay, then the end date also. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that thank you for sharing your details. Here's the summary of your bookings, while providing me all the details regarding my booking, that is the property that I have selected as beachfront villa. Also include my name as a test user that I provide as test user. After that, my contact number and the booking dates. Also giving me one message that would you like to proceed with this booking, including 2 options, that is yes confirm order and no change property. Here I want to confirm this order, so I am clicking on this. Then it will respond to me like this, that your booking has been confirmed. You will receive a call shortly for payment confirmation. Thank you for booking with us. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for rental bookings for your vacations homes via WhatsApp, that instead of you, your WhatsApp chatbot will reply to your users 24/7 without you doing any manual efforts. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign up free and another is sign in option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to connect your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now, in this folder section, you can create multiple folders by clicking on this plus option where you have to provide the name to your folder. Also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder, where you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate rental bookings for vacation homes via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword /regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday, this coming soon, and tag assign. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box, book vacation. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword, rental booking. Here I added only two keywords. You can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message. So for that, I am taking one text button, drag this box here. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my welcome message. Here I write, that is welcome to Dreamstay Villas, ready to book your perfect vacation rental. After that, now I want to add two quick buttons for my user. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as browse homes. After that, the another button I'll write as book now. After that, I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is the trigger point, to this message. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot will reply to them by sending this welcome message. After that, let's assume my user select this browse home option, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. At first you have to write the header in this enter header box, where you can write the header in 20 characters only. After that, the next one is the enter body box, where I am going to write the body of the message. Here I write, that is please choose from the following properties for your stay. After that, you have to write the footer in this enter footer box. In this case, I am not writing any footer, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I want to add the types of stays. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box where I am going to write the section title as properties. After that, now I want to add the types of property. For that, I'm clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I'm going to write the first type in this enter title box, that is beachfront villa. Now I am adding two more property type. The process of adding items in the list would be the same. Here I am only adding 3. You can add multiple. Here I added, that is mountain cabin and city apartment. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of browse home to this message where it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the property type, then my bot will respond to them. But at first, here I am setting one custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as property type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is beachfront villa, because I set this contact custom field specifically for this beachfront villa. Now I am going to explain you why we use the contact custom field in the creation of our flow and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving forward, at first you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you won't save your flow and move to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever moving anywhere, firstly save your flow. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, etc. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more fields. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to provide the name of your field. Also write the description in this field description box. Here I already created one contact custom field by the name of property type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I set it this. After that, now I am setting two more contact custom field nodes for both of these type. For that, I am again taking two contact custom field nodes, drag this boxes here where I am going to select the contact custom field as property type, and in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is mountain cabin. After that, for the last one also, I am going to select the contact custom field as property type, and in this enter value box I am writing this, that is city apartment. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this, and this to this. Here I set this 3 contact custom field nodes specifically for all of these 3. You can see I use the 3 different contact custom field nodes, but the contact custom field that I have selected is the same, that is property type. At the end, this will help my bot for providing the customized message to my user. After that, whenever my user will select the property type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that, I am taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing the question in this enter message box. Please provide your full name for the booking. You can see I use this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will deliver to my user's WhatsApp account in the bold format. After that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. Then the format I'll select as text, as name should always in the format of text. After that, the number of attempt I'll give as 1. Number of attempt define as how many times your user will reply to your bot. You can increase this, but make sure that when you increase the number of attempt, always write the validation message in this enter validation message box. As I gave here the number of attempt is 1, so there is no requirement of any validation message. That's why I am leaving this blank. After that, I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share the contact number. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as ask question. Drag this question box here. The process of adding questions into your flow would be the same. You can add multiple questions and make your chatbot based on your preferences. Here I am entering the question as please provide your contact number so we can reach you regarding your booking. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now, in the next step, I want my user to share me the stay start date. For that, I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here. Here I am adding two questions. So I am copying this. After that, at first I want to know the start date. After that, the end date. Now for this, I am selecting the contact custom field as stay start date. After that, the format I'll select as date. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. That's why I'm not writing any validation message here. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Now for the next one also, here I am going to do the same. Here I added that is please share the end date of your stay while selecting the contact custom field as stay end date, and the format I'll select as date. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. After that, whenever my user will select the property type, provide me their full name, also the contact number and the start date end date, then at last my bot will give them the customized message based on their requirement. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my message. Here I added that is thank you for sharing your details. Here's a summary of your booking. While adding all the details, you can see I use the dollar symbol before the property type, full name, contact number and stay start date as well as state and date also, because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply dynamically to my users. As whenever they select the property type from here, then with the help of this contact custom field node, my bot will automatically capture their response and reply to them by mentioning their selected property type in this place. Whenever they share their full name, then with the help of this contact custom field that is full name, my bot will reply to my users by their name, as different users have different data. So for capturing their dynamic data, contact custom field is used, and this dollar symbol represents the contact custom field. In simple words, it makes data dynamic. Now at the end of this message, I write that would you like to proceed with this order? Now I am giving two quick buttons for my user. Yes, confirm order, no change property. After that, let's assume my users wants to confirm this order, then they will select this, so my bot will reply to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my last respond message. Here I write that is your booking has been confirmed. You will receive a call shortly for payment confirmation. Thank you for booking with us. Now what if my user will select this no change property button? Then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this list message, as whenever my user will click on this no change property button, then my bot will again provide them this message so that they can again choose the property. After that, the next one is the book now button. So I am also connecting this circle to this message, because whenever my user will click on this book now button, then my bot will give them the property type. After that, the process of rental bookings for vacations homes would be the same. That's why I connected this to this. Here I have done this as an example. You can add many things into your workflow and make your WhatsApp chatbot completely based on your choice. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate rental bookings for vacations homes via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. Also make sure that enable this toggle so that your flow always be activated. If you won't enable this flow, then your flow will be deactivated and it will not work. You can also share this flow with your friends. So for sharing this flow, you have to click on this flows option, then click on this three dots and select this share flow option. Here it will provide you one sharing link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalog and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately, and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This WhatsApp automated chatbot will reply to your users like this. Provide them the types of property that are available into your vacation home. Ask about their information, that is their full name, contact number, number, stay start date, stay end date, and give them the customized message at last without you doing any manual efforts. And the best part is this automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.